Hey guys, from the streets of Kolkata, we have a very big surprise for you. We kept secret for a while because we didn't want to spoil the surprise for you. So, 3, 2, 1.
Hello! What's up? What's up? What's up, all the Dodo Explorer people?
Oh my goodness!
How do you feel?
We're feeling very nice. It's very good out here.
The people are amazing.
We're trying to
How
adapt to the
Super
weather.
friendly.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Except the fact that you made me wait for you for half an hour.
I'm very sorry. I really apologize for that. But we Bengalis, we are always late. So that's how it is. But you were in Bangladesh
Okay.
before this, right?
Yes.
So
we
you
were
tried
in
a lot of
Bangladesh.
things there, a lot of food there.
More or less,
Exactly.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so it's time for Kolkata. It's time.
Time for
To step it up a
Kolkata.
notch.
Yeah, to step it up a notch.
He's Dipta.
Yeah.
He's the Lazy Bong.
Yes.
One of the best travel bloggers here in India, and
wow, thank you for that.
the best street food vlogger in Kolkata
Wow.
and in West Bengal. Yeah, you're being
The man
modest,
with the
but
plan.
the man
He's
with the
very modest,
plan.
very humble. He doesn't say much about him,
No,
but
no,
he's very much energetic, and you will see.
I'm very excited to meet these two people. Honestly, I've been watching their vlogs. They're good. They're very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna go and explore some great food,
Thank
great
you.
places. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Chalo.
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 Crossing the street with local people and local popular vloggers. Michael, be careful not to die. We're gonna get a car, get to the next destination, and basically trying not to get killed, as Michael said.
Seeing me like
Super excited to be here with these really kind guys, amazing guys. They know everything about Kolkata. They know all the best places to eat, and this is what we're gonna try. We're gonna try to eat and enjoy and feel the vibe, the authentic vibe of Kolkata cuisine, and try some street food, maybe some biryani at the most popular places here in Kolkata.
A few moments later.
SD.
SD, Shubhrajit Dash.
Okay.
So, in my hand, I have one deck of cards right
Yes.
now. So, you can,
SD is trying to trick Michael now.
so I just take one card from
the top.
top,
Or
from
random,
top,
yeah.
okay? So, this card is Jack of Spread, right?
Yes.
Jack of Spread, and both yellow, right? And place your hand like this, place your hand like this. And I'm gonna try something with Jack of Spread. So, this is Jack of Spread, and please give your signature, please.
On the back, on the front.
On the back,
On
please
the
give.
back, man. This guy
Oh,
is
wow.
working with the cards with him all the time.
This
and a
is very
spoon.
nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna try something. Okay. So, this is your card.
Yeah.
And just place your hand like this, and I'm gonna try something. Like I just hold this card another way, and just tightly. Okay, hold it
Tightly.
tightly. Okay.
Holding it for dear life.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'm gonna try something, another new thing. Like I have 5 of hearts.
Hungry?
Okay.
I have 5 of hearts right now.
Okay.
So I'm gonna.
We're gonna.
This is your signature. Okay, good.
Okay. So just hold it. Just hold it.
Hold the marker.
And just see it very clearly. This is
5 of
5
hearts.
hearts.
Okay.
And I'm gonna hold this card
As well.
as well as you can.
Yes.
And just place it in your mind right now.
This one or mine?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
Kiss.
Okay.
No one's kissing. SD. Okay, surprise us. Show us
wait.
the amazing trick. Release. Woo! Amazing. How did you do it?
Okay.
And in your
That's
mouth,
cool.
please see this.
Okay.
Wow.
How
Okay.
did this happen?
Hey!
Very good, SD.
And it's signed by me.
It's signed by you.
This is absolutely my sign. Right?
Oh
This
my
is my sign.
goodness.
Great.
Good guy.
Good job,
Very good.
SD.
Thank you so much.
Very good man.
Tell the people how we can find you.
The Wizard SD on Facebook
Wizard
and YouTube also. The Wizard SD. Please
Sure.
follow.
Very good man.
And thank you so much.
Follow this
Thank
guy.
you too.
Very
Thank
good,
you.
The magician of Kolkata.
Thank you, bro. We're in front of Arsalan. Actually, this is one of the most popular biryani places here in Calcutta. It has a lot of other like restaurants throughout the city, and we are on the Park Street one, and we want to see what the hype is all about, because everyone was like, go to Arsalan, go to Arsalan. And we have the unique occasion today to go with Dipta from the Lazy Bong, and with Rick, his friend, and with Michael, everyone. The team is here, the gang is here, and we're super excited to do this
This is my
today.
grumpy Dodo man. I made it myself. In Kolkata, you're supposed to say Dada, not Mamu. Like in Dada Bodhi. And this reminds me of the Dada Bodhi biryani that I had in the Shimulia village in Bangladesh. Yes, now it all makes sense. Somehow all these Bangla words are coming into my head. And they are not leaving.
Meanwhile.
আমরা দিয়েছি হচ্ছে হালিম, মাটন হালিম, মানে হচ্ছে ছাগলের খাসির হালিম, গোট মাটন হালিম অর্ডার দিয়েছি, মানে গোট হালিম।
We're having lots of fun in the...
Yes, I understand
Behind
only
the
mutton and
scenes.
goat halim, so it's good. I remember when a friend of mine from Dhaka, he told me, hey, you're going to Kolkata, now you can speak in Bangla with those guys. But watch out, their Bangla is different. I'm like, do you know that we don't know that many words in Bangla? So I think with the amount that we know,
It doesn't matter.
we should get by there as well. Yes.
Bangla in Bangladesh is a bit different from Bangla in Kolkata, right?
Yes.
So you tell me first, what Bangla have you learned by now?
Amar Nam Michael.
Nice. And
Amar Dost Dipta.
yes, here we don't say dost, we say bondhu.
Bondhu. Okay.
Yeah.
Amar Bondhu Dipta.
Yes. And
Very good.
If you want to order food, like you want this, you know how to say that?
Dada, ekta halim. Dhanyawad.
Yes. That একটা হালিম ধন্যবাদ।
I shall break the roti for you.
Oh, thank you. Delicious.
You take the fluffy one.
I'll take the fluffy one.
Let's see how it is. Looks nice.
How is it?
Honey. Very good. I miss this. I miss this a lot.
Is it creamy?
Very much. Yes, and the pieces of meat are so shredded and fine, nice inside.
Oh my god.
So this was our first experience here at Arsalan, having Haleem with Dipta and Rick and everyone else.
Everything about food is good.
Everything is
Like if
good.
you want to have the best food, you get in Kolkata.
Okay.
Oh wow, that's a brave statement. How does it feel, Michael, walking with a celebrity?
With a celebrity, yeah, well, you're pretty much a celebrity already, so it's okay. It's not bad. I've seen other celebrities though, but not as important as you.
Oh, that was so cute.
And somehow, through the miracle of time, we ended up in a new market. And you can tell it's a new market by the craziness around us. This is the place. Hello. This is the place where Kolkata comes to life. During the afternoon, during the evening, all the people you can imagine, they are here. And they want something, either to buy something or to eat something or to do something. So somehow we have to go through these masses of people and find our food. And that sounds like an adventure I'm looking forward to do.
Take one out, any one out.
I want the beguni.
You want the beguni? Okay,
Yes.
take the beguni out. This is the beguni.
There you go.
Oh, beguni. Thank you.
It's just everything. Like we have like 2 begunis, 2 egg chops, and 1 pantharas.
Okay.
20 rupees.
Ah.
All of this for 20 rupees.
Okay, that's
Just 20 rupees.
That's okay.
Yeah, less than $1.
Take the
That's amazing. Yeah. I don't know how good that will be. Yeah, this is the egg chop.
okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. This looks so weird.
Yes. Very good.
You want to try the egg chop? It's good. Cool.
Milchap, or you like this milchap?
What is that? Oh,
Chili chop.
Chili chop. Honest review, this is not the best, of course, but for 5 rupees, good. But everything here is just 5 rupees each.
oh my.
What do you think?
I'm eating everything.
Oh, and my rofza. Yay. Let me. Oh.
Enjoy.
I was waiting for this moment. Finally.
This is
Rup Afza. Or as I call it, Lal Mita Wala Pani. Very good.
here in Puchka. It's more like pani puri. Like they dip it inside the water and then they give it to us, and they give this small, what do you call it?
Leaf.
It's biodegradable, eco-friendly solution to protect the world, right?
Yes.
Acha.
Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, this
Okay.
is fast. This is how it looks like.
3, 2, 1. Cheers.
Cheers. Hey. Cool.
Oh my, another one?
Like good. That's a lot of bunny in this Puchka. Okay.
Thank you.
If you want more, you can have. I won't have any more.
It's good. I'm good.
This is how it looks like inside. Dal and onion and spicy stuff and this water which
Yes.
soaks in
Madam Padmabu.
the shell.
Boss. Thank you. Oh. Like it?
Lovely.
Puchka power 24 hour.
Puchka power 24 hours.
Oh my
Very
God.
good. Jos. Takanine bakanine ali 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 takanine bakanine ali 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 takanine bakanine ali 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 ali. Must calendar. And again through the miracle of time, from the new market somehow, whoosh, we arrived here at another Arsalan shop, kind of a place. Something tells me we're gonna have Kolkata Biryani. I should get ready for this because if I have too much rice, I'm gonna fall asleep. Good thing is I didn't eat too much today. I just had like a nibble on the way here, some Haleem and some random street food. But now I'm ready for the main event, which is the biryani. And here at Arsalan, it's supposed to be the one, the best. So Gigi, are you ready for some biryani?
I'm always ready, man. I was born ready. Okay, you guys go. Hi. Good evening. Hi, good evening. Ooh, 4%. Thank you. Oh, this is a nice place. This looks pretty. We have the egg, we have the potato, we have the rice, we have Dipta, we have Michael, we have everyone. Enjoy your biryani, guys.
Gigi, do you like your biryani?
I like the biryani and I like mostly the fact that I have a big potato in my plate.
How do you compare this biryani to the other ones that we had before?
I don't think I can compare them because they're different.
Very different, right?
Very different.
What you had in Bangladesh was kachi biryani.
Kachi biryani is a bit softer
It's a
somehow.
bit softer and yeah, it has
And,
some gravy on it.
Okay,
somehow.
okay.
And the
Okay.
mutton is like smaller pieces, not a big chunky piece of mutton. And it's, I don't know, more heavy.
More heavy.
Yes,
More
this
heavy.
one doesn't feel that heavy.
Yeah, this
It's a
is
bit
light
lighter
biryani.
and
Yeah.
it's
But still,
super
it has a lot of
flavorful.
rice.
Yeah, a lot of rice.
I cannot believe we're sharing a plate of biryani with Dipta here. That's incredible.
Nice, good day.
Very good.
Good crazy day with a lot of food. And
Yes, a lot of food and now we're finishing off with a big pile of biryani. If I can finish this much, but then I will have to sleep here. Yes, I will have to tell the nice Dada in the kitchen, can you move the plates a little bit, I want to sleep. I cannot go back home. My people not move.
it is a huge biryani. I didn't even uncover the meat part yet. This is a huge thing. Like after all things we finished today, we even found this one. This is the mutton piece, this is the egg, and this is the aloo, the famous aloo part of the West Bengal cuisine and the Bengali cuisine generally. The flavorful biryani you can find from Kolkata all the way to Dhaka. Nice to bring back memories now.
So guys, this has been a wonderful evening.
Wonderful evening, very eventful day.
Yes, we met this amazing guy.
Yeah, I met them. So they've been so nice.
And you took us around the place and we had some food.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
We loved it, of course, of course.
Okay. So if you want us to see us again, do comment down below.
Comment down below.
Yes.
Smash the like button.
Yes.
Do everything.
Share the video.
share the video, like, share, subscribe, blah blah blah, all the things, Very good. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so
It's
much.
been amazing.
It's been a pleasure.
It's been a pleasure. Have fun. Enjoy. Bye bye.
Happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan.